Understanding broken trust, a guide to trust in relationships. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the phrase, broken the trust, a critical concept that touches the core of human relationships. Understanding this phrase is not just about language, but also about the fabric of our interactions and bonds with others. So, whether you're learning English or seeking deeper insights into interpersonal dynamics, you're in the right place. At its heart, broken the trust refers to a situation where someone has acted in a way that betrays the confidence and reliability expected by another person. Trust is like a delicate vase. Once it's broken, it's challenging to put it back together. It's not just about lying or cheating. It can involve any action that shatters the security and faith someone has placed in another. Trust can be broken in many ways, often through deception, being dishonest or hiding the truth; betrayal, acting against someone's expectations or interests; inconsistency, showing unpredictable or unreliable behavior; neglect, failing to fulfill promises or meet emotional needs. Understanding these actions is crucial because they highlight the fragility of trust and the importance of consistent, honest behavior in maintaining it. When trust is broken, the effects can be profound and long-lasting. It leads to emotional pain, feelings of hurt, disappointment, and betrayal, loss of confidence, doubting oneself and the ability to judge others; damaged relationships, creating distance and sometimes irreparable harm; long-term mistrust, difficulty in trusting others in the future. Acknowledging these impacts helps in understanding the gravity of trust and why it's treasured in relationships. Though challenging, rebuilding trust is possible. It involves acknowledgement, accepting responsibility for the actions that broke the trust; apology, sincerely expressing remorse for the harm caused; consistent behavior, demonstrating reliability and honesty over time; patience, understanding that regaining trust takes time and cannot be rushed. This process is not easy, but it's a journey worth undertaking for the sake of healing and growth. Today, we explored the sensitive and significant topic of broken the trust. Remember, trust is a critical component of healthy relationships, and understanding its dynamics is key to both personal and interpersonal growth. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of trust, the pain of its breach, and the path to its restoration. Thank you for joining us, and here's to building and maintaining stronger, more trusting relationships.